Hey there, CrossFit Strongtown. Coming at you with a special whiteboard review. All right, we are reviewing today to support your local box fundraiser workout from CrossFit HQ. It is a fundraiser out there to support your local box during the time of this coronavirus. All right, we know a lot of you out there love being here at CrossFit Strongtown. So CrossFit HQ is putting these workouts out that you can register for. We put it on our Instagram page and our Facebook group how to do that. All right, this is the workout they released for the first week. We have a 10-minute AMRAP, okay, as many rounds reps as possible in 10 minutes of 10 air squats. 9 dumbbell snatch on your right arm. 10 push-ups. The 9 dumbbell snatch on your left arm. All right, usually we alternate our dumbbell snatch. Today they're asking that all 9 reps be done on that arm before moving on to the next movement. Okay, this is for a good cause. If you get to do the workout, remember to tag us at CF Strongtown, hashtag Strongtown and home, hashtag stay home, hashtag hold strong, hashtag stay healthy, hashtag we miss you. Good luck, guys. All right, give it what you got. Let us know how it goes, and we'll see you soon, hopefully.